Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a tool that's revolutionizing HVAC projects and plumbing tasks: the generic hydraulic tube expander tool swagging kit. If you're serious about precision and efficiency in tube expanding, this might just be the best tool for you. This kit from Wostore isn't just any tube expander, it's designed for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike who need reliable performance and versatility. Let's unpack why it stands out. Crafted from high-quality 4CR steel, this tool promises durability and a long lifespan, making it a worthy investment for your toolkit. One of the standout features is its ease of use. Whether you're working with soft copper, aluminum, titanium, or even soft steel, this tool delivers smooth, efficient expansion without the need for copper couplings. It's not just about expanding, it's about achieving a seamless connection between pipes, reducing the need for extra fittings and ensuring a tight seal every time. From HVAC installations to plumbing projects, this tool excels. It's designed to handle the rigorous demands of professional jobs while remaining accessible for enthusiasts tackling home improvements. Whether you're dealing with repairs, installations, or custom projects, its ability to expand tubing from 10 mm to 42 mm in diameter makes it a versatile choice. User feedback highlights its reliability and efficiency, making complex tasks simpler and saving valuable time on the job. Priced competitively compared to other tools in its class, the Wostore tube expander delivers exceptional value. It's an investment that pays off with every use. If you're looking for a tube expander that combines robust construction, ease of use, and a wide application range, this kit should be at the top of your list. In conclusion, the generic hydraulic tube expander tool swagging kit from Wostore isn't just about expanding tubes, it's about enhancing your efficiency, ensuring reliable connections, and ultimately, elevating your workmanship. If you found this review helpful and are considering upgrading your toolkit, check out the link in the description below to learn more and make your purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews and recommendations from Product Critique. Thanks for watching.